Have you ever wished for a surround sound experience that follows you wherever you go? Imagine a device that sits comfortably on your shoulders, enveloping you in rich, immersive audio without isolating you from your surroundings. This revolutionary gadget enhances your audio experience, whether you're watching movies, playing video games, or listening to music, all while keeping your ears free. Curious to know what it is? Stay tuned until the end to uncover the secret behind this game-changing device. Meet the Hidock H1, the world's first ChatGPT-powered AI audio dock that promises to transform the way we handle meetings and calls. This innovative gadget offers automatic transcription and summarization, providing a seamless way to capture and review important conversations. The Hidock H1 uses advanced AI to transcribe and summarize audio from various sources, including phone and video calls, messaging apps, and podcasts. This is a game-changer for busy professionals who need to keep track of their work without the hassle of taking detailed notes. The device ensures clear, noise-free communication with high-quality microphones, speakers, and noise reduction algorithms. One of its standout features is its 11-in-1 docking station capability, enabling connections to multiple devices through a single USB-C cable. This includes support for dual 4K monitors, SD cards, thumb drives, and other USB accessories, making it an all-in-one productivity booster. The Hi-Fi Bluetooth speaker with Bluetooth 5.2 protocol ensures high-quality audio streaming from various devices. The Hidock H1 enhances productivity by automatically generating transcripts and summaries, allowing users to focus on their tasks without worrying about note-taking. It improves communication with clear, noise-free audio, which is crucial for video calls and conferences. Additionally, it facilitates effective collaboration by sharing meeting summaries and transcripts with team members, ensuring everyone stays on the same page. This device also features bidirectional noise cancellation, removing background noise from both ends of a call, and supports versatile connectivity options, including USB-C and Bluetooth. It offers precise voice recognition, easy speaker tagging, and the ability to mark key information during calls with voice marks. The Hidock H1 is designed to be a comprehensive solution for managing calls and meetings, providing automatic note-taking and noise-free communication. Its robust docking station features make it a versatile tool for various users, whether they need structured meeting notes, to-do lists, or a way to capture important information from phone calls and online lectures. Introducing the ArcWares Mini Dryer, a compact and multifunctional gadget perfect for drying small items and providing warmth during cold seasons. Slightly larger than an iPhone, this portable dryer measures just 3.1 by 3.1 by 5.8 inches, making it an ideal space-saving solution for travel, RVs, apartments, and dorms. The ArcWares Mini Dryer is designed for versatility. It comes with an additional telescopic tube, allowing you to dry shoes or warm your bed effortlessly. The device features an intelligent 2-speed drying mode, operating at low noise levels to ensure efficient and safe drying of items such as underwear, swimwear, pet clothes, socks, vests, gym clothes, and baby clothes. However, it is not suitable for airtight clothing. This dryer also doubles as a heater, providing warmth in cold weather, making it a handy companion during winter. Its low-noise operation ensures a peaceful environment while in use. The dryer's design includes a hidden zipper to place small clothing items inside and a pop paddle top that forms a makeshift tent, retaining and circulating heat to enhance drying efficiency. When not in use, the dryer's bag folds up neatly into the bottom housing, making it highly portable and convenient for travel. The supplied duct allows the dryer to efficiently dry shoes and warm bedding, speeding up the process without the need for a traditional blow dryer. ArcWares Mini Dryer is perfect for various scenarios, including cabins, camping, boats, locker rooms, and hotel rooms. It can warm clothes before going out on cold days, dry shoes, warm beds, and even act as a heater during chilly months. For travelers, it is particularly useful for drying swimwear quickly, avoiding the need to carry wet items. Introducing the LeFeet S1 Pro, a revolutionary underwater scooter that is compact, powerful, and designed for both diving enthusiasts and casual snorkelers. Lightweight and easy to transport, this device redefines underwater exploration with its advanced features and user-friendly design. The LeFeet S1 Pro builds on the success of its predecessor, offering improved performance while maintaining a compact size. Weighing just 5.5 pounds and measuring 11.8 by 11.8 by 6.3 inches, it is one of the lightest diver propulsion vehicles on the market. Its small footprint makes it ideal for travel, fitting easily into a backpack along with other gear. Equipped with 3 speed settings, the S1 Pro provides a customizable experience for various underwater conditions. The middle speed is particularly efficient, allowing users to glide smoothly past other divers. The high speed offers the thrill of fast movement, while the low speed is perfect for comfortable snorkeling without fins. Battery life is impressive, with the unit lasting between 45 to 70 minutes on a single charge. This makes it reliable for both short snorkeling sessions and longer dives. The device's handle is easily attachable and removable, adding to its portability. The remote control grip, featuring a thumb-operated switch, allows for easy speed adjustments. During testing in various conditions, including pools and ocean dives, the S1 Pro demonstrated excellent maneuverability and responsiveness. Its lightweight design did not hinder performance, even in deeper waters. Divers can clip the scooter to their buoyancy control device when not in use, freeing their hands without affecting their buoyancy. The LeFeet S1 Pro's modular design allows for versatile use, including attaching 2 engines for increased power or mounting on a paddleboard. It also supports action cameras, making it a great tool for capturing underwater adventures. Introducing the Sharge Disk, an innovative and compact external SSD enclosure designed for M.2 NVMe SSDs, perfect for professionals and tech enthusiasts alike. Whether you're a photographer managing large volumes of data or a gamer looking to expand storage, the Sharge Disk offers a powerful, portable solution. This tiny device, only slightly larger than a USB stick, measures 53.4 by 39.8 by 16.7 mm and weighs just 24 grams with the case. It can house up to a 2 TB M.2 2230 SSD, providing high-speed storage in a very small footprint. Its design includes a see-through acrylic window and a built-in 13,000 revolutions per minute silent fan for active heat dissipation, ensuring the SSD remains cool and performs optimally even under heavy use. The Sharge Disk features a USB-C port compatible with USB 3.2 Gen 2, enabling transfer speeds up to 1000 megabits per second. This high bandwidth allows you to fully utilize the capabilities of your SSD. It also includes a physical switch for write protection, safeguarding your data from accidental deletion or tampering. Setting up the Sharge Disk is straightforward with its tool-free installation. Simply slide off the acrylic cover, insert the SSD, and secure it with the provided fastener. The silicone case offers added protection, making the enclosure drop-proof up to 6.56 feet and providing IP54 rated water and dust resistance. Designed for versatility, the Sharge Disk can be used with a variety of devices, including Windows PCs, smartphones, and gaming consoles like the Steam Deck. Its compact size and robust construction make it an ideal companion for on-the-go data storage and transfer needs. In addition to its technical prowess, the Sharge Disk features a unique see-through design that showcases the SSD inside, adding a touch of style to your tech arsenal. Available in both classic gray and trendy yellow, it caters to different aesthetic preferences. Introducing Thin Optics, the revolutionary solution for anyone tired of misplacing their reading glasses. These ultra-thin, lightweight glasses are designed to be carried anywhere, fitting into a case that attaches to the back of your phone, ensuring they are always within reach. Thin Optics achieves their incredible compactness by eliminating the traditional temples. These glasses feature a spring-loaded, rubber-lined bridge that grips your nose securely, making them comfortable and almost weightless. Made from nitinol memory wire, a durable nickel-titanium alloy, they can be bent and flexed without breaking. Available in various strengths and colors, Thin Optics caters to different needs and styles. Despite their small size, Thin Optics does not compromise on quality. The lenses provide clear vision correction, and the frames are designed for durability and comfort, ensuring they stay in place during use. They come with a self-adhesive case that can be attached to your phone, iPad, or carried in your pocket, making them incredibly portable and convenient. Thin Optics are also backed by a lifetime warranty if purchased through the official website or registered retailers, adding to their appeal. They offer a practical, stylish, and durable alternative to traditional reading glasses, ensuring you never have to be without them. The ultra-portable Thin Optics reading glasses truly stand out. With their sleek design, these glasses attach to your phone or fit in your pocket, ensuring clear vision is always within reach. Stay tuned for more incredible gadgets to make your life easier. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below to stay updated and share your thoughts. The Briiv Pro is a sleek and sustainable air purifier that combines style with cutting-edge technology. This innovative gadget, designed by UK professionals tired of industry greenwashing, uses 3 natural filtration layers, moss, coconut fiber, and a nanomatrix filter to capture allergens, dust, smoke, VOC gases, and harmful PM 2.5 particles. Crafted from 90% renewable materials, including a bioplastic made from elephant grass, Briiv is as eco-friendly as it is effective, offering the air cleaning power of over 3,000 houseplants. Since its launch, the Briiv air purifier has proven to be a valuable tool for combating indoor air pollution, reducing allergens, and improving overall air quality. It's lightweight and portable, perfect for any room, and its hour-long cycle mode can purify a 36 square meter space in just 60 minutes. The device is quiet enough for continuous use, even overnight, ensuring clean air while you sleep. The new Briiv Pro takes things a step further with advanced features like Hive Mode, which links multiple units for comprehensive air purification across larger areas, and Canary Mode, which adjusts settings based on real-time air quality data. The Rapid Purification mode is particularly impressive, cleaning a 16 square meter room in just 21 minutes. One of the standout aspects of Briiv products is their environmental impact. Traditional air purifiers often rely on HEPA filters, which generate significant waste due to frequent replacements. Briiv's natural filters, however, are biodegradable, reducing waste considerably. This makes Briiv a unique and sustainable choice in the air purifier market, addressing pollution without contributing to plastic waste. Air purifiers like Briiv are essential for managing indoor pollutants such as VOCs and particulate matter, which can have significant health impacts. Good ventilation and air purification are key to maintaining a healthy indoor environment, especially in areas with poor outdoor air quality. The Invi Bracelet is a stylish self-defense accessory that offers a non-violent way to deter attackers. This bracelet, designed with high-quality materials such as 316L stainless steel and full-grain leather, releases a powerful odor upon activation. The scent, detectable from over 100 meters away, repels attackers and alerts others nearby, providing a critical window for the wearer to escape or seek help. Originally developed using de-escalation technology from the US Army, the Invi Bracelet has already proven effective in multiple incidents, including thwarting attempted assaults. Its quick activation ensures it is always ready to use in alarming situations, offering immediate protection. The Invi Bracelet is more than just a self-defense tool, it's a piece of wearable technology that empowers individuals to feel safer and more confident. Research and real-life cases support its efficacy. In a pilot study in Rotterdam, the percentage of respondents feeling unsafe decreased significantly after wearing the bracelet for a month. Academic research from the University of Groningen has validated the safety and effectiveness of the odor, which negatively impacts sexual arousal. Introducing the Mini Air Wedge, a groundbreaking tool designed to fit where larger air wedges cannot. This compact device is perfect for any vehicle size, making it an essential addition to your toolkit. The Mini Air Wedge, crafted from durable ballistic nylon, resists stretching unlike rubber alternatives, ensuring consistent performance. A built-in stiffener prevents the wedge from bending during insertion, making it easy to place precisely. Its small size allows it to slide effortlessly over weather stripping and fit into tight spaces without damaging the vehicle. The Mini Air Wedge inflates quickly and is extremely durable, making it a reliable and efficient tool for any situation. Whether you're working with small cars or larger vehicles, the Mini Air Wedge is designed to meet your needs with ease and precision. The Cliq Chair is your ultimate solution for outdoor comfort and portability. This innovative camping chair sets up in seconds and collapses to the size of a water bottle, making it incredibly convenient for any outdoor adventure. The Cliq Chair, weighing just 3.65 pounds, is designed for ease of transport without compromising durability or functionality. Made from high-grade materials like ballistic nylon and aircraft-grade aluminum, it is built to withstand tough conditions while providing a comfortable seating experience. The patented Magic Hub and telescopic frame ensure a quick and hassle-free setup, making it a standout in the realm of outdoor gear. One of the most impressive features of the Cliq Chair is its portability. Its compact size allows it to fit easily into a backpack or daypack, making it perfect for hiking, picnics, and camping trips. Despite its small stature, it offers a high weight capacity of up to 300 pounds, catering to a wide range of body types and ensuring stability and comfort. The ergonomic design of the Cliq Chair provides exceptional comfort, with a canopy that contours to your body and flexible, low-rise sides that allow natural seating positions. Its robust construction means it remains stable and secure, even on uneven ground. While the Cliq Chair excels in many areas, one minor drawback is the lack of an included storage bag for single chair purchases, which would enhance portability and storage. Introducing the Sony SRS-NS7 neck speaker, a unique gadget that offers a personalized surround sound experience at home. While headphones have their place in public, the SRS-NS7 shines in a private setting, providing an immersive audio experience that rivals multi-speaker setups. Crafted primarily from high-quality plastic with a silicone rubberized finish, the SRS-NS7 features upward-facing speakers covered in cloth mesh, delivering a stylish look and feel. The flexible silicone band, reinforced with a rigid core, ensures a comfortable fit around your neck. The device is equipped with full-range speakers that direct sound toward your ears, while downward-facing openings enhance the bass, allowing you to feel the rumble. The controls are conveniently placed on the interior, with volume adjustments on the left and power/mute buttons on the right. Setting up the SRS-NS7 is straightforward. After charging via the USB-C port, connect the included dongle to your TV using the USB-A and optical cables. While Bluetooth connectivity is available, the dongle ensures a seamless connection without the need for syncing. In terms of audio quality, the SRS-NS7 delivers impressive surround sound. Movies and games come to life with accurate spatial audio, creating the illusion of speakers all around you. The device excels in providing clear, immersive sound, making it a great alternative to traditional headphones or bulky speaker systems. However, the SRS-NS7 has its limitations. It cannot be directly connected to devices like the PlayStation 5 without an optical port, and its design requires keeping your head relatively still for optimal audio quality. Additionally, prolonged use may cause slight discomfort due to the pressure on your collarbones, and the neckband can get warm over time. Despite these drawbacks, the Sony SRS-NS7 offers a compelling audio experience for those who prefer not to use headphones at home. Its combination of portability, comfort, and high-quality sound makes it a valuable addition to any home entertainment setup. Whether watching movies, playing games, or listening to music, the SRS-NS7 provides a unique and enjoyable listening experience. Hey everyone, thanks for sticking around for this video. If you found this helpful or entertaining, subscribing to the channel is a fantastic way to stay in the loop. I'm constantly creating new content, and I'd love for you to be a part of the community. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive into a gadget that will surely revolutionize the way you use your air conditioner. You don't want to miss this. See you soon!